Let's divide 400 by 2 together. Hey super math stars, if you're having fun learning with me, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any new adventures. Alrighty, let's start dividing 400 by 2. Get ready. We look at the first digit of 400, which is 4. We'll use this digit first. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check. 2 times 2 is 4. Perfect. Now we subtract. 4 minus 4 equals 0. We have no remainder here. Woohoo, you got the first part done. You're doing amazing. Now let's move to the next digit in 400. Next up, we bring down the next digit from 400, which is 0. Say hello to our new number. We're working with 0 now. We need to see how many times 2 fits into 0. How many times does 2 fit into 0? It fits 0 times. Let's check. 0 times 2 is 0. Easy peasy. Subtract 0 from 0 and we get 0. Still no remainder. You're on a roll. Keep that awesome math energy going. One more digit to go. Let's tackle it. Last digit, we bring down the final 0 from 400. Here we go. Our last number is 0. How many times can 2 go into 0? You guessed it, 2 fits into 0 0 times. Check our work. 0 times 2 is 0. We're almost done. Subtract 0 from 0 and we get 0. We've reached the end. Amazing job, you finished all the steps. High five. We've divided 400 by 2. Let's see our final answer. So, 400 divided by 2 equals 200. Great job, everyone. We just conquered dividing 400 by 2 using long division. Remember, every step is a chance to shine. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division wizard in no time. See you next time on Let's Stud.